36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, or reading, talking, eating, sleeping, or walking around. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus George Douglas, ticket number V123421, count one, harboring an unlicensed dog. Ticket number V123422, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number V123423, failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog on property. And ticket number
Judge, I didn't hear it. I didn't get the last one.
Ticket number V123424, count one, fails to prevent an animal from engaging in nuisance, menacing, or dangerous behavior. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of George Douglas.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. We also have our complaining investigator here. Investigator Chandler, would you please state your name for the record?
Chandler, batch 15, Detroit Animal Control.
Mr. Douglas, can you say your name, sir?
George Douglas.
All right, so this matter is set for trial. Are we ready to proceed to trial?
Your Honor, I did have a chance to speak with both the prosecutor and then Mr. Douglas. He would like to avail himself of the offer by the prosecutor.
All right, and the offer is?
And Your Honor, the offer is on ticket number V1234221. Hey y'all, I'm in court. 123422122, V1234222, and V123422322. Those would be an offer of dismissal, and upon showing a payment to the victim, the ticket vicious animal would be V123422422, would be a 6-month delayed sentence.
Sentence for?
That would be for the vicious animal related to the dog bite.
Okay, I got it. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Douglas. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tucker in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
And Your Honor, just briefly, we have not had an opportunity to see the receipt of payment to the victim.
He said that he emailed it back on November 24th or 25th to the email address that he was given at the last court date.
Okay, and what would that come up as, Mr. Douglas, as far as your email address?
Master GHD 3 @gmail.com.
Okay, thank you.
It's 3 photos.
I forgot where I left off. I think
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
that's okay. Did I have one more question?
Okay, and that went to Sharmia Cartwright?
Yes.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, I just wanted to be sure of this before he entered the plea. Investigator Chandler, is that the name of our victim?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, very much. Sorry for the interruption.
That's okay.
You got it?
We're all set. Yes, thank you so much.
Petway, where did I leave off?
You was about to swear me in.
Oh, raise your right hand, Mr. Douglas. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tucker in private about your case and your right?
I'm sorry, could you say that again, please?
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tucker in private about your case and your right?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes,
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of March 29th in 20, how about the range of March 29, 2022 to April 4th, 2022? At around 1 p.m. on that date and time, did you fail? Oh, and in the city of Detroit at 9775 Somerset Avenue. On that day and time and at that location, did you fail to prevent an animal from engaging in nuisance, menacing, or dangerous behavior?
yes,
You're satisfied, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis to stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So this is a 6-month delayed sentence. You're gonna have to pay a fine, Mr. Douglas, of $200, and you can't get any more tickets. So no citations, no violations, essentially no further police contact. If you do all of that and you come back on the date of June 8th at 8:35 a.m. and you pay the $200, this will be dismissed off your record. Do you understand, sir?
you say June 8th
8:35.
at 8:35 a.m.
Yes, sir.
I will be able to pay it before that, yes?
You can, but you still gotta come back on that day because it's a delayed sentence. So the court is essentially monitoring you, see how you do with these next 6 months. You do, if you've done all that's been asked of you, then this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay.
Any questions?
No questions. Would I be able to pay it through that same number you gave the other gentleman, the 855-7981?
You know what? I wonder if other people write it down, because that is just really smart thing to do, and you were obviously really paying attention. I appreciate you writing that number down. Absolutely. You can pay it through that. So you'll listen.
Thank you, yeah. I have a pen and a notepad and everything, yeah.
You prepared. So,
Gotta take care of business.
And you dressed up. I see your collared shirt, so I appreciate that, Mr. Douglas.
I gotta take care of business the right way.
Absolutely. This is obviously serious to you. So I appreciate you taking it seriously.
Yeah, thank you.
So any other questions, sir?
No other questions.
Sure.